In the last video, we saw about the meaning of constitution. Why does a country need a constitution? The remaining topics will be covered in this video. In this topic, we are going to see about the first key features of Indian constitution, that is federalism. It refers to the existence of more than one level of government in the country. These are at the state and at the central levels. Citizens are governed by laws and policies made by each of these levels of government. The next key features of Indian Constitution is parliamentary form of government. The Constitution of India guarantees universal adult suffrage for all citizens. This means every citizen of the country, irrespective of his or her social background, have a direct role in electing their representatives. Representatives are thus accountable to the people in a parliamentary form of government. The third key features of Indian Constitution is separation of powers. There are three organs of the state. First one, the legislature, second, the executive, third, the judiciary. The legislature refers to our elected representative, those who make laws. The executive is a smaller group of people who are responsible for implementing laws and running the government. The judiciary refers to the system of courts in the country who settles disputes and makes sure that laws are obeyed. Each organ acts as a check on the other organs of a state, and this ensures the balance of power between all the three. The next key feature of Indian Constitution is fundamental rights. The fundamental rights are referred to as the conscience of Indian Constitution. Fundamental rights protect citizens against the arbitrary and absolute exercise of power by the state. The Constitution guarantees the rights of individuals against the state as well as against other individuals. There are 6 fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution, which are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitution remedies. In addition to fundamental rights, the Constitution has a section called Directive Principles of State Policies. It ensures greater social and economic reforms and to serve as a guide to independent Indian state to institute laws and policies that help to reduce the poverty of the masses. The last one is the secularism. A secular state is one in which the state does not officially promote any one religion as the state religion. The Constitution plays an important role in laying out the ideals that we would like all citizens of the country to adhere to, including the representatives that we elect to rule us. Constitution has been changed over the years to reflect concerns of the polity that involves a change in the fundamental nature of the country. Questions for this session. First one, what are the key features of Indian Constitution? Second, define federalism. Third, name the 3 organs of the state. Fourth, which is referred to the Conscience of Indian Constitution. Fifth, list the fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution. This question you have to refer page number 14 in the content book. Thank you children for watching the video.